so it's still a little chunky.
This blue cheese steak sauce is as bold as it gets. Creamy, punchy, and more than just a bit naughty. Once you drizzle it on your steak, you might just forget that the steak was ever the star.
You're going to start with making the blue cheese sauce. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, fresh ground pepper, gonna add in some heavy cream. We just want that to simmer down for a bit. Then we're gonna add in some blue cheese. Okay folks, this is in a good state here. I'm going to put it to the back and I'm going to put it on simmer there so we can get the steaks going. Oh my gosh, this is looking so good. Look at that. Okay folks, this looks absolutely beautiful to me. I'm going to take the steaks and I'm going to go let them rest on the other side. I'm going to make sure that the sauce is warm and we're going to take it over there to plate it. So here we are back here at, I call it the station, but we're going to pull out the steak and slice it up and we're going to plate our food. There we go. And we're going to plate it with a few pieces of broccoli. Now here's our chunky blue cheese sauce, and the leftover chunks I put in just before we brought this over, so it's still a little chunky. And I'm going to put a little bit on the potato because I know that our guests here tonight are probably going to appreciate that. And a little bit of bacon bits. Now that the ribeye has been crowned with the blue cheese masterpiece, the only question is, can you handle how irresistible this just became? From my kitchen to yours, cheers and stay saucy. Till next time.